Meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Despite a cool start this morning, temperatures will recover nicely into the afternoon. We'll do some serious melting out there, I think. I know that most of the snow is gone, but we have those stubborn patches of snow and ice, especially on some of the intersections and sidewalks. We'll make some dents in those today. So a nice afternoon is coming. That's the first item that I'm tracking in the weather headlines. It's nice when we have this kind of weather headline rather than a storm to talk about. Don't worry though, we'll talk about the storm coming up in just a minute. Mid to upper 40s today. It will be a little bit cooler tomorrow. I do think we get a decent amount of sunshine for Sunday, but temperatures only in the upper 30s. Do not forget to change the clocks tonight before you go to bed. Remember, it's 1 hour ahead. Now, if you mess this up in the fall when we set the clocks back, it's not that big a deal because you end up showing up early for everything. But if you mess this up, you're going to show up late to stuff on Sunday and for the work week. So don't do that. Make sure you do that late tonight before you go to bed. A storm next week, that's still very much in question, especially precipitation type. It could be rain, it could be snow, it could be a mix. So this is not one of these situations where we know that Arctic air is taking over and it's going to be a primarily snow event. Now this one could be really any variety of precipitation, so we'll keep you updated. Still too early to make a forecast in terms of snow accumulation amounts. Now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, tracking precipitation, seeing some showers way offshore. I mean, at this point, those are well to the south of Cape Cod and the islands. So we're left with a few clouds overhead, but it'll be a dry day. Temperature right now is 29 in Providence, Gloucester at 24, Westerly 28, New Bedford at 28 degrees. We can check in on some of the wind speeds, and you can see right now in Providence, winds are out of the northwest at around 7 miles an hour, so a bit of a breeze out there. Definitely put on the jacket if you're heading outside shortly. New Bedford right now seeing a wind of 3 miles an hour out of the northwest at around 28 degrees for a temperature. So moving on here to some more temperatures. You can see up here in Worcester we're at 29. And as we move towards Martha's Vineyard, Cape Cod, and the islands, already seeing some temperatures in the mid-30s. And over the next few hours, pretty much everybody will get into the mid-30s, and then we make a run at the 40s. Here's the satellite picture. So there is that storm going offshore, pulling the clouds away with it. That's why I do think we'll get a decent amount of sunshine this morning into the afternoon. By the mid to late afternoon, some more clouds will start to fill across the sky. In fact, you can see that right now on our Futurecast, starting this off at 8 o'clock this morning. The white represents clouds. You can see they build up a little bit tonight through early tomorrow morning. Now, early tomorrow morning, and even as early as very late tonight after midnight, there could be a few snowflakes and snow flurries, especially out here towards the southeastern shore of Rhode Island, out towards Little Compton, into New Bedford along 195 towards Cape Cod. But most of us, I don't think, will see anything from that. And then Sunday is a sunny day, but a little bit cooler. But here's today. Enjoy. 46 by 1 in the afternoon. 3 p.m. we're at 48, 45 by 5 p.m. And you can see by location temperatures rather similar. We tend to even out the temperatures when we get those winds from the north. As we go into tonight, early tomorrow morning, you can see temperatures into the 20s, then only 30s for high temperatures on Sunday. So here's the 7-day Futurecast. Now I am looking at some light snow flurries and snow showers on Monday. At this point, it doesn't look like any accumulation, but we'll keep you updated on Monday. And then again on Wednesday, it would be Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That would be the timing we could see snow, sleet, or rain. We still need to watch this. It could end up being a complete miss. At this point, I do think we'll get some precipitation. It's the precipitation type that's the most in question right now. So in the rest of the 7-day Futurecast, you can see those temperatures after that potential storm on Wednesday and Thursday. They're reasonable into the upper 30s with partly sunny skies. I don't see any huge, spring fever type warm-ups in the forecast. In terms of your pick of the week, it might end up being today. So if we're going to get a pick of the week, Susan, it might as well be on a Saturday when many of you can get outside and enjoy it.
I was going to say, read between the lines. Go out, wash your car.
Yes.
This is the day for that.
That's actually a really good point. Yeah, my car is not looking so good.
Mine either.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go do that.
Okay.
Covering New England this morning, Massachusetts lawmakers acted quickly to pass